Today we're going to talk about inscribed polygons. Be ready to take a lot of notes. An inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle and whose sides contain the chords of the circle. An arc that lies between two rays or two lines, rays, or segments is called an intercepted arc, like an interception in football, intercepted arc. If the endpoints of a chord or arc lie on the sides of an inscribed angle, then that chord or arc is said to subtend that angle. Subtend means to extend or be opposite of. So if you look at angle B, it intercepts arc AC. AC subtends angle B. Notice that it is opposite of angle B. Now we have a theorem. The measure of an inscribed angle theorem. The measure of an inscribed angle is 1/2 the measure of the intercepted arc. Okay, let's look at this problem. Find the indicated measure. First, we need to find the measure of angle T and then the measure of arc QR. Pause the video and restart it when you're ready for the answer. Another theorem that you need to write down is the inscribed angles of a circle theorem. If two inscribed angles have the same intercepted arc, then the angles are equal. Okay, we need to find the measure of angle B when the measure of angle C is 68 degrees. Okay, another couple of definitions we need to know is an inscribed polygon. A polygon is inscribed when all of its vertices lie on a circle. This is an inscribed pentagon. A circle contains the vertices is called a circumscribed circle. The inscribed right triangle theorem. If a right triangle is inscribed in a circle, the hypotenuse is the diameter. The inscribed quadrilateral theorem is a quadrilateral can be inscribed in a circle if and only if opposite angles are supplementary. So in this one, X and Y are supplementary and W and Z are supplementary. Let's find the values of each. Please stop the video when you are ready to see the answers. Restart it. Let's look at this problem. Solve for X and Y. Solve for X and Y? That's crazy. Well, I do know that opposite angles are supplementary. So if I have 19y plus 22x, that should equal 180. And 10y plus 40x should also equal 180. I learned back in algebra that I can solve these because there's two variables and there's two equations using the systems of equations. Now, when I set this up, my favorite way to solve a systems of equations would be by elimination. And so I know I could do substitution, so I could solve for one of the two variables, but I think I'm going to use elimination. But I have to make it so that I can eliminate one of the variables, either X or Y. And so I'm going to eliminate Y. I'm going to multiply the first equation by 19 and the second equation by -10 so that I can eliminate the Y's by getting 190 in the first one and -190 in the second one. When I solve, I get X equals 3, and then I have to plug that 3 back into one of the equations, and I get Y equals 6. That is all for today. You will have an an assignment on 10-4 on big ideas. Thanks.